Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2009 Infiniti M35. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a glass moonroof, alloy wheels, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, wood trim interior accents, performance tires, variable valve timing, a security system, traction control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Infiniti qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.